How to upload high quality pictures to Facebook. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And on today's video we will see how we can upload high quality pictures to Facebook. So without any further delay, let's get started. First and foremost, launch the Facebook application and make sure that you're logged in with your account. Once you're on your home page, now to get to your menu page, tap on the profile icon along with the three-line icon from the top right corner. Once you're on the menu page, tap on the settings icon. After you're on settings and privacy page, scroll all the way down or on the preferences, tap on media. So once you're under this page, here you will have the video quality section. So from there you have to choose the first option, that is optimize. In order to do that, tap on this checkbox. And on the autoplay, make sure that you have chosen the first option on mobile data and Wi-Fi. So check that as well. Once you have saved these settings, now high quality pictures will be uploaded to your Facebook account. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video helped you, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more tutorials.